Hi everyone. Okay, now in the last session, okay, we used to assign data, okay, in the view back individually. Okay, now what are we trying to do over here? Okay, I have this model. Okay, I have this model. So I have here ID and name. I have two properties, that is ID and name. Now, okay, this is our controller. Inside the controller, we are making object of this. Okay, assigning some data. Now we are assigning the entire object, that is OB, to viewback.ob1. Okay, so it means OB1 will have whatever OB is having according to object-oriented programming. So basically OB belong to employee. So whatever is there in the employee, okay, that will store into OB viewback.ob1. Okay, now let's see the index of it, how we are trying to access. Okay, see, we are seeing at the rate viewback.ob1.id1. If you go to the controller, okay, you can see here, okay, ob1.id, okay, the same thing we are trying to access here, that is ob1.bag.ob1.id, ob1.bag and id. And let's say we'll try to run this. So in the earlier example, okay, we pass a single data by using viewback. But here we are assigning the entire object and running it. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, immediately you will get it. Okay, you can see Maya is coming, and I hope that is very much clear. Okay, now, okay, we are passing a single object here. Okay, we are passing a single object. Now I'll show you a different example. Okay, what we'll do, we'll make the list of it. Okay, let's see. I'm opening a different program. Now you know very well, okay, how to assign data, okay, your model folder, etc., etc. Now please see this here. Okay, we are making a list of employee. So when I'm saying the list of employee, okay, it means there can be n number of object assigned inside this OB, because this is a list. So what are we doing? We are making first object of the employee class, assigning some data to it, making second object, assigning some data to it, all right, and then by using the add function of list class, we are adding to this. So it means if you look at it, okay, in the list we are having total three objects, O1, O11 and O12. Okay, so this is list, and then we are making the object and assigning them to the list. So it means right now the list is populated with three objects of the employee class, that is your O1, O11, and O12. Okay, now we are assigning the entire list. Please observe this. We are assigning the entire list to viewback. So it means now viewback.employees will have, okay, all the object of this list class, correct? So now how to display that, okay, inside this view. So I'm just going here. Now see what are we doing here. Okay, see, this is your server side program from here to here. Okay, so viewback.employees, okay, it's coming from here. All right. Now viewback.employees, okay, we are assigning to a variable that is employee. You can give any name, whatever you want. All right. Now see, now there is can be one object or there can be n number of objects. So as a developer, we are not aware of. So what are we doing? Okay, we are iterating. Okay, we are iterating. So what have we done here? At the rate for each loop. Okay, then employees where m in employee. So one by one, okay, this data will come to m, and we are displaying by using at the rate m and a line break, and then m dot name and so on. Again, I'm going to your controller to make it clear. We make a list, okay, making some object, adding to the list, assigning the entire list to the viewback, and then Okay, we are accessing this into a variable that is view employee. You can give any name, whatever you want. All right, then we are iterating it, okay, and displaying them one by one. Total three objects are there right now. Okay, you can see this first object, second object, and three object. All right, you can see. So it is iterating. I'm using here BR, so it is going to the next line. Okay, so so we have seen how to pass data. Okay, first by using single variable, then assigning the entire object. Now assigning the entire list to the view bag, and then you are accessing this view bag inside your view. So I hope that is very much clear to you. Okay, thank you.